Duh.
I woke up this morning and figured I'd call you in case I'm not here tomorrow. I'm hoping that I can borrow peace of mind. I'm behind on what's really important. My mind is just I find nothing but trouble in my life. When the lights shut off and it's my turn to settle down, my main concern, promise that you